Hi, it's Penny, my thon. Today I'm going to grow some crystals with the Crystal Aquarium. So in the box of the Crystal Aquarium, on this poster, tells you all about crystals. Here's the Crystal Growing Aquarium. This right here is sodium metasilicate and water. It says it's a skin and eye irritant. So if you're looking to irritate your eyes and skin, this will work just fine for you. This is a bag of growing rocks, and it is also an eye and skin irritant. So if you're looking to irritate your skin and eyes, this right here, this is the kit for you. This is made of aluminum sulfate and calcium sulfate. My chair is squeaking. Going to put a little bit of aluminum foil in the bottom of the aquarium. That'll protect the bottom of your aquarium and also make it look a lot more science fiction-y. That is to carefully remove the growing rocks from their bag. Actually, it says the little rocks need to be made into pea-sized rocks. So I'm going to make the rocks into size of peas. Now for getting these eye irritants out of here. So now I'm going to use a straw to put the rocks inside my aquarium. And I think it's time for goggles because I'm not into eye irritants. I'll be eye irritant free now. These are very protective. Straw, rocks. Just poured in the eye irritants. And I would love to do this experiment perfectly. But this is really hard. I'm not going to worry too much. I guess I should have gone with a full face mask for this one. Next step, using the eye and skin irritant, we're going to pour it in a jar. Now, pour 32 ounces of warm water in the jar. Then, once your solution is all stirred, which I'm going to stir it with the straw, then you have to pour in the eye and irritant solution into the aquarium with the eye and skin irritant rocks. Oh, the aluminum foil is floating. So all the eye and skin irritants are in there now, and we're ready to start the experiment and see what happens.
I'll be back.
Andy, my thought.